Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss what is the constructor. Okay, so now let's start. So constructor is a special member of a class that will be execute automatically when we are creating the object. Okay, this is similar type method, but this is not a method. Okay, constructor will never return any value. That's why we are not using any return type with constructor. Constructor is a two type. One is the default constructor and second is the parameterized constructor. When we are not creating any constructor, then compiler will automatically create a constructor for that class. Okay, so let me create one constructor. So I'm going to create constructor A. So constructor name is same as the class name. Okay, so this is class A and this is our constructor. Okay, so constructor name is same with the class name. Constructor has not written any value, and we can use here public access modifier. Access modifier, like I am using here currently public. Okay, so this will be automatically invoked when we are creating the object of a class. Let me show you. Default constructor. So now I'm going to create object. Now I'm going to create object of class A here in class Java class. Okay, A equal to new A. Okay, I have created only the object of a class A with the help of using new keyword. Now let me execute. Now you can see I'm not calling the constructor directly. That is automatically invoked when I am creating the object. Okay, so that's why I'm saying constructor is a special member of a class that will be automatically invoked when we are executing the class, creating the object of class. Constructor has no return type. Constructor will not return any value. That's why we are not using any return type. Constructor name is same with the class name. Okay, now how many type of constructor? There are two type of constructor. One is the parameterized constructor and second is the default constructor. Default constructor is a constructor where we are not passing any parameters. Okay, so default constructor will also automatically created by the JIB compiler when we are not creating any constructor. Like if we are not creating any constructor, then compiler will automatically create a constructor for this class. Okay, but if we are creating a constructor, then compiler will not create a constructor. Okay, let me show you. So this is the default constructor. Now I'm going to create a one constructor, that is a parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor, we can pass some parameter. Okay, let me here create some variable like integer count, string type, name. Okay, and now I'm going to create one constructor, public A. This is parameterized constructor. First integer A, second is string, name one. Okay, I'm going to assign this in both variable, integer into integer type, name equal to name one. Here printing the parameterized constructor. Okay, now I'm going to call the parameterized constructor here. What I will do, I will pass the two values during the creation of object. One is string, second is the integer 10, string qa. Let me now run this. So at this time, parameterized constructor will invoke and this constructor non-parameterized default constructor will not execute. Like this, parameterized constructor is invoked. And we can also use constructor to initialize the values. Like if I print here count name, so we will get the values what we are passing during the creation of object, we will get. Okay, let me call this method a dot print. So now we can also create the object with using other constructor. We like default constructor like this. And if I print dot call this, this will invoke the default constructor. Means if I am calling the object, creating the object by using default constructor, then this will be invoke the default one, not the parameterized constructor. Okay, let me run this now. Here you can see I'm getting the default values. Default constructor is executed. At that time, this will store occupied space in memory with the default values. Okay, but here in parameterized constructor, I am initializing the values of a variables. Okay, so now next, so what constructor during the creation of object, what constructor we are calling, that will be invoked automatically. Next, if we are not creating the any construct one constructor that is not default and only parameterized, so now you can see if I will create any constructor in the Java, then compiler will not create the constructor. As of now, you can see default one is not, we are getting here the error, means default is not exist. Okay, so what we need to do, if we are creating the parameterized constructor and also if we need default constructor, then we can create manually like this. And if we are not creating any constructor, then the compiler will automatically create. Now you can see I'm not getting the issue for default constructor because this is created by automatically by the compiler, but I'm getting here parameterized constructor because there is no parameterized constructor is created. Okay, so now it means if we are creating any constructor, then compiler will not create the default constructor. If there is no constructor in a class, then compiler will create a default constructor. And suppose that if you require to create a parameterized constructor, and also if you want to default constructor, then we can create default constructor manually. Okay, now let me execute and show you again. Okay, so now what is constructor? Constructor is a special member of a class which will automatically invoked during the creation of object. We are using constructor to initialize the values of a class of instance variable. Okay, constructor name is same with the class name. Constructor has not written any value, and when we don't have any constructor, user has not created any constructor for that class, then compiler will create a default constructor. It means every class has a constructor. If user is not created, user has not created, then compiler will create. And in case if we have created the default constructor, any constructor in the class, then compiler will not create a constructor. Those constructor will invoke which constructor we are calling during the creation of object. Like here I am calling the parameterized constructor, so parameterized constructor will invoke, and here I am calling the default constructor, so default constructor will be invoked. Okay, now let's discuss what is the difference between the method and the constructor, because constructor is same like method, but this is not method. Okay, so as we discussed, constructor is used to initialize the state of object, means it will help to initialize the instance variables, where method is used to like expose the behavior of the class. Constructor never return any value, while method may or not may return values. Constructor name is same with the class name, where method name may or not may be with class name. But in case of constructor, this is mandatory to same name with class name, while method is not mandatory. You can give any name for the method. Constructor will automatically invoke, method we require to invoke, means we need to call the method. Like here I am calling the b.print. In that case, print method will invoke. Constructor name must be same with the class name like I discussed, while the method name should be different. And if we don't have any constructor, then compiler will automatically create default constructor. But in case of method, if we don't have any method, then compiler will not create automatically. Okay. Thanks for watching the video.